To use landing pages for targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram for the conversion goal, you need to confirm your domain in your Facebook Business Manager. In this video, you will learn how to verify your domain on Facebook Business Manager, adding a meta tag. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. So now log into your profile, then go to My Products page. Here you will find all the products you have purchased from the Bridge Advertising Agency, including your domain, website builder, and any extra products such as hostings, emails, and email marketing. Just go to your website builder and click Manage. Here is the website that we have built in our previous video, and from here you can directly publish blog posts, manage your online appointments, and use your AI SEO tool to rank higher on Google search engine. Just click on Edit Website, then go to your website settings. Now go to Facebook Meta Tag. In order to claim your website on Facebook, you will have to copy the meta tag code from Facebook and paste it here. So all what you have to do is to go to your Facebook business account settings, scroll down to Brand Safety, and choose Domains. Then click on Add, insert your domain name, and click Add. Now copy your meta tag code, paste it in the box, and click Publish Now. Now you have successfully added your Facebook meta tag to your website. Keep in mind that it may take up to 72 hours for Facebook to find the meta tag code. If the domain status is still not verified, you'll need to click Verify Domain again. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. In the next video I'll explain how to claim your website on Pinterest, so let's go and see how our AI website builder made it so easy for you.